What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a mod to my Toyota Supra. In this box, we do have some mirrors by Suma Performance, which is sponsoring today's video. So all the mods so far that we've done to the Supra have almost all been cosmetic. These mirrors are to enhance the driving experience and enhance the safety while driving the Supra. So let's get straight to it and unbox these mirrors. These mirrors are amazing. They have a bluish tint to them to maximize safety while driving, so it reduces glare from the sun and from headlights. It also does still maintain the blind spot monitor light, so when you're driving you do not have to worry about that being removed off of your vehicle. They also do have a wide angle mirror to them on the driver's side, so you'll be able to see lanes almost 2 lanes away. These mirrors are also water resistant, so the water will fall off a lot easier than the stock ones. This installation should take no longer than 5 to 7 minutes. Let's get to it. Let's move the Vet, move the Supra, and get onto the installation. This is super difficult to get in right now because this couch is over here. So let's see if we get these doors open with the Supra next to us. Somehow, we did it! Man, moving those cars turned into a mission with this couch in the way. Next time I'll move the Supra first. You're going to need a few things before you get started. You'll need a trim tool, possibly a microfiber towel to put underneath it so you do not scratch your mirror to reduce every chance of that happening. And then to choose the right mirror on the right side. So left side is going to be also known as the driver's side. So we're going to do this one first. And before we get started, we're going to just kind of see the difference of that. So you see the bluish tint there, and then the non-blue tint. You still have your blind spot monitor light, just like the OEM, so it should fit just like so. First step is to tilt the mirror up. There's 2 ways to do it. Manually do it, or put it up from the inside of the car. So we're gonna put it up from the inside. You're gonna wanna take your trim pry tool with the microfiber towel, stick it right underneath there with the microfiber to protect the mirror. Super easy. Then you're going to have these cords that are connected to the mirror. You're going to have to disconnect them. 2 other tools you might want are pliers and the flathead screwdriver or something similar to pop the 2 clips right here and then disconnect these 2 pieces right here with the pliers. So just take the flathead screwdriver, press right there to release, and there's another one right over here. Just press it down to release that one. Then you're going to take your pliers to remove these 2 connectors right here. And we got the mirror off. 2 additional tools you'll need: scissors, electrical tape. These 2 wires and this one are going to connect to the new mirror. This one you're just going to tuck away, but you're better off putting electrical tape around it just to seal it from water. Take the left packaging from the box, driver's side mirror for the driver's side, connect this piece right here, and then these 2 additional pieces are going to connect right in here. So we're just going to clean these mirrors up, get the fingerprints off. Man, they are so clean. I love the blue. That is so crazy. And the logo, the Suma logo. Wow. Now that these are clean, we're going to take them on the road. We're going to make sure again that the blind spot monitor works and to see the wide angle features on it to see how many lanes over we could see. It's a super easy process to do. It honestly would probably take 4 to 5 minutes per mirror, but when you are going to put the trim piece underneath the mirrors, again, just push the button from the inside of the car. It'll put the mirror up just enough to get the trim tool underneath. You pop them off, you'll disconnect the new mirrors, get them on, and get to driving. So without further ado, let's get onto the road. Functioning perfectly. We should be able to squeeze between the vet. Let's see what happens. So right off the bat, you do notice the blue tint driving in the driver's seat. And that angle, it is such a wide angle. I'm not even out of the garage yet and I feel a difference. That is such a wide angle. That is insane. This is amazing. So when you're driving, you literally can see 3 lanes over, or 2 lanes over. Obviously you're gonna still have to look, be aware, but that is crazy. The prior mirror before, I could just see 1 lane over, if that. I could see all the way over to the far left lane. That mirror is really good as well. Let's see if the blind spot monitor works. Blind spot monitor is working on that side. All the sensors are working. We're gonna move over to this side. Blind spot monitor on that side is working. We are golden, boys. Just like the sunset. So these mirrors, you see so much. You see 2 lanes over on this side. This side I don't think has the wide angle on it, but it's still pretty good. The blue tint, I have no glare from the sunshine that's beaming down in my face behind me. It's super solid. So these new mirrors are amazing. The wide angle on the driver's side is super useful. You see like 2 lanes over, and then the blue tint is for a purpose. It stops the glare from the sun and it stops headlights from smacking into your mirror. So the overall driving experience is great. The blind spot monitor still works perfectly. They do make this for all kinds of makes and models. Link down below. You can get your own for your Supra or another vehicle of your choice. And if you have any questions about these Suma mirrors, let me know in the comments down below. I got you. I'd love to answer any questions you guys have. In the next video, we do have something ready for the vet. I'm so excited for this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to hit like to let me know if I'm doing a good job. And do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. We're out.